So what are the common mistakes people do while designing their homes?
हम एक पुश करेंगे ड्रॉवर खुद से अंदर जाता है. Do you have that much time that 7 seconds that drawer should go inside? Do you store your grocery? How do you wear your shirts? Do you need hanging shirts or folded shirts? Do you iron yourself or you get ironed clothes kept? So there are such silly questions which help us to design the house with their lifestyle, with their way of working to their spaces. How will AI cut the ply? How will AI hang the curtains? How will AI
Today we have with us Hetal Juzare, the founder of Arcs Interior Design Studio. From growing up in a small home to becoming an award-winning interior designer, Hetal has built a journey full of passion, creativity and courage. In a male-dominated industry, she leads a talented team of women designers creating luxurious spaces that are not just beautiful but also bring families closer together. She has been recognized as Best Women Entrepreneur in Interior Design, Most Trusted Brand in Interior Design, and her work has been featured in leading publications. She has also served as a jury member at ASTEC, Asia's biggest design event. Thank you, Hetal ji, for joining us today. So tell us about your journey.
My journey is very simple. I am born with a silver spoon. But definitely हम जब छोटे थे तब we had a small house and definitely वो टाइम पे घर छोटे होते थे. And हमारे one room living room was a multi-purpose room where हमारे पास study table था and chair था. But the important thing, खास बात उस टेबल की ये थी कि वो टेबल एंड कुर्सी हमारे फैमिली कारपेंटर के साथ we had made that. And considering that emotion कि जब मेरी मम्मी कर सकती है हमारे लिए, I thought as per the height, I had my different height and my brother also had a different height. So उस हिसाब से I thought let me together change the world. In fact change the world with interiors से अच्छा पहले मैंने सोचा कि मेरा जब घर बड़ा होगा तो मुझे ऐसे घर बनाना है. बस एक छोटे से ड्रीम के साथ मैंने इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग करियर चूज़ किया था.
Wow, that's really nice. So अभी आपकी क्या जर्नी रही है, चल रही है? आप मैरिड हो, you have kids, right? So how are you balancing things? Personal life, professional life, कैसे balance कर रहे हो आप?
I am married and since 17 years into the marriage now and it is a very wonderful journey. People say घर कैसे संभालेंगे, बच्चे कैसे संभालेंगे? Everything is managed because I have tried to manage my timings. The wake up timings are fixed, the working hours are fixed. So I have dedicated all my time partly and balance the life with my daughter, with my kids, with my husband, with my in-laws, with my parents. A female has to give some time to everyone. I have to handle site, I have to handle staff also. आज मेरे पास जाके स्टाफ है, ऑफिस अच्छे से है. हम जब फ्रीलांसर्स थे तो वी वर नॉट नोइंग दिन क्या है रात क्या है. दैट टाइम फैमिली बैलेंस नहीं पता था. पोस्ट कोविड वी गॉट टू नो व्हाट इज़ फैमिली लाइफ बैलेंस. And with that, I have a working hours of morning 10 to 7. Before 10, I don't work interiors. Post 7, I don't work interiors. This is how I balance my life. Right. My morning schedule comes, I start morning by 5:30 with some meditation, then going to gym, coming back. I make tiffin for my kids because I want, they have to have my food which I cook. And then I start for my office. My husband goes to the office and that way the day ends at 7 o'clock with my office hours. Post 7 जब ऑफिस से नीचे उतरते हैं घर का क्या बाकी है, घर का क्या करना है, that starts again the बच्चों का टाइम स्पेंड करने का टाइम, उनके साथ रहना, स्टोरी टेलिंग, टॉकिंग टू देम, अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर एंटायर डे. दैट्स वेरी फन. So being a family parent, being a parent, I would say, you should never miss your kids' childhood. Enjoy that. You will not get back
Right,
because
true.
you can earn money every day, but that memories will not come because if their age will grow, you will not get the same age of your kids. So balance yourself, balance your life.
Very well said, Hitalji. So everyone has seen a successful Hital today, right? But ऐसा कोई struggle है that nobody knows?
Yes, this is a very important question and very touching question, I would say. Being a female into this construction industry, going upstairs when I used to do rooftop terrace, I have definitely climbed 24 floors. No one will know that without lift, how can a person climb 20 floors? This was the hidden secret. Another hidden secret is we just see the drawings, the designing, but the behind part of it, that surface what we make and show to the clients, उसके पीछे जर्नी है, उसका टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है. When the technicals are good, you will get the good things to see visually. So this was another secret. And और एक सीक्रेट है कि भाई हमें फीमेल को हमेशा गिल्ट लगता है कि आज मैं घर पे नहीं अवेलेबल हूँ बट साइट पे हूँ. ये बड़ा गिल्ट का जो गैप है वो मेरे फैमिली ने पूरा किया है कि दैट्स ओके इफ़ यू आर एट साइट, हम यहाँ पे है. तो दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ कि वो जो सीक्रेट सक्सेसफुल है वो हम अकेले सक्सेसफुल नहीं है. इट्स ओनली
Family support is equally important.
it's only with the journey together of entire family.
Right.
So this is successful Hetal with my family.
Nice. So during your struggle, अगर कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि that you almost felt like giving up कि भाई अब नहीं हो रहा मेरे से, मुझे करना ही नहीं है.
Yes, this was a time when once I was at site at night 2 a.m. At night 2 a.m. I had to travel. No vehicle was there. I was not driving at that time. And I thought रुकना भी पड़ेगा साइट पे, घर पे भी जाना है, क्या करेंगे. एंड इसके अलावा और एक बात कि जब तक काम कंप्लीट नहीं होगा रुकना भी है. दिस वॉज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. दैट टाइम आई थॉट आई शुड ड्रॉप, बट the work that happened at 2 a.m., that work is regular now happening in my everyday sites. And I got to learn हैंड ओवर के पहले जो काम होता है वो ऐसे ही होता है. सो गिव अप करने का बस थॉट आया नहीं था, गिव अप नहीं करना था, ये थॉट आया था.
Many women have doubt on themselves, you know, कि न्यू स्टार्ट कैसे करें. आपके साथ कभी ऐसे हुआ है, आपको ऐसे जब आपने शुरू किया था आपको ऐसे कभी डाउट आया कि मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ, अभी कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ?
दिस इज़ अ क्वेश्चन जब फीमेल को आता है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट श्योर, दे आर नॉट फोकस्ड वॉट दे वॉन्ट टू डू. आई वॉज फोकस्ड इन माई चाइल्डहुड. सो मुझे अनसर्टनिटी, ऐसे डाउट, सेल्फ डाउट कभी नहीं आया है कि मुझे वो करना ही था. जब तक मेरा घर नहीं बनेगा, जब तक मेरा ड्रीम होम नहीं बनेगा, मुझे करना था. मेरे ड्रीम होम बनने तक मैंने बाकी क्लाइंट्स के घर बना दिए. तो मुझे ये कभी सेल्फ डाउट आया नहीं है. एक आध बार टाइम आता है जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं करियर, तब ऑन द वे जर्नी में ये टाइम आता है व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू टॉक विद वेंडर्स और द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स और द कारपेंटर्स हु आर ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड बिफोर अस. दैट टाइम वी डोंट हैव दैट नॉलेज. दैट टाइम वी सेल्फ डाउट अवरसेल्फ, बट दैट वी ओवरकम्ड, वी लर्न फ्रॉम देम. And today just they are selling hardly 150, 300 products. But we know more than 300 products. They are typically selling hardware, so they know each hardware technically. But here we have a knowledge of hardware, ply, other materials, surfaces, glass, aluminum windows, facade windows, elevations, the signboards, the light points, the cameras. So the self-doubt was not challenging for me. In fact, that gave me more strength to go more deeper and in detail for each product to know and overcome the work and deliver the client what is technically correct.
So when did you get that courage कि मुझे ये करना है, इंटीरियर में ही जाना है, यही मेरा स्किल है?
With the time, after finishing my college, I started my job. That time only other designers together had thought कि she doesn't know anything. But obviously I thought कि कोई से कोई भी सीख के नहीं आ सकता है. And that time computers were big desktops and PCs. And in my office that time only people used to use laptops, which I couldn't use it. But anyways, I had my laptop, I used it, I used the softwares and my drawings were good. I was the fastest AutoCAD user in my office. I proved myself and it worked out. So just try.
राइट सो जॉब छोड़ के खुद का कुछ शुरू करना, वॉज इट एनी डिफिकल्ट कि इट वॉज मतलब क्वाइट ईजी?
During my job, I would say I was next to my boss as a left hand, which I feel. हमें लगता है बॉस क्या करता है कैबिन में बैठ के, हम कैबिन के बाहर बैठते हैं.
राइट
बट जब when I started my own office, कैबिन के अंदर बैठना एंड कैबिन के बाहर बैठना, it's a big difference.
डिफरेंस ट्रू.
Whatever we used to do during our office hours, that was said by the boss without using our own brain.
करेक्ट.
Now here we have to use my
Our
own
own brain.
brains, and I have to divide the team, delegate the work. And the most important factor to run a self office is delegate the work, have different systems, and then you work on your projects. That way we can handle बहुत सारे projects monthly to run a office. So this was the biggest myth that office job करना से अच्छा हम अपना business कर लेते हैं. That is the biggest mistake. जॉब तो करना ही है, because how the office runs, कैसे खर्चा पलता है, because the day you start the office, everything comes for a cost.
ट्रू. सो वो सब चीज़ें आपने कैसे सीखी समझी? क्या कोई आपको सपोर्ट था या मेंटोर था जिन्होंने आपको ये सब चीज़ें सी? जैसे पहले जॉब करने में क्या होता है, 9 to 6 करना है, जितना बोला गया है उतना करो, राइट, एंड उसकी सैलरी होती है. जब आप बिजनेस करना शुरू करते हो, आपको डिसीजन मेकिंग स्किल्स होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, फाइनेंस, कैश फ्लो, ये बहुत सारे टर्म्स होते हैं जो पता होने बहुत ज़रूरी है, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. जॉब में हमें ये सब चीज़ें नहीं पता होती है, बट बिजनेस में हमें ये जानना एज अ ओनर बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, राइट. सो ये सब चीज़ें आपके लिए कितनी चैलेंजिंग थी?
This is a very tough question and a insight of a designer's office, how it runs. So with all the designers here who can listen to this podcast where I got this chance, thank you for that. And I would say when we start running a office, जब जॉब करते हैं तो लगता है एक सैलरी आ रही है, 2-4 कपड़े लेने हैं, घर पे देना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, that's it.
उतना ही होता है.
But now when we are running a business, it's not at all very easy. I take down my salary as my part of a business, number one. Number two, whatever staff we have, X number of salaries, divide by year, divide by time, how many drawings they can make, how many 3Ds that can be done, X amount, and other staff का salary कौन कितना ROI दे रहा है, everything comes with the ROI. And this is how business is very different than having a job. And here, being a woman running an office, I would say we have to just tweak again. I have all female designers in my office. 80% of our staff are females. So
That's nice.
I'm proud on my office. And the difference is the laborers, the contractors are men in this industry, and counting on them, the returns what we get. When the designers are female, they know the insights of design more in detail for residential projects. Again, I understand about offices where I have a coordination team, few site supervisors who are male. They understand the technical part of it. We have an execution team who are males again. They travel here and there and they understand how the work has to be done within the timeline. So we are here together with female and male together. The industry works like that. Here,
Right.
there is no such way a woman is right or a man is right. We together bring up a good product visually and our work is being shown.
सो व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन विमेन एम्पावरमेंट? इक्वालिटी के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, किस तरह से देखते हैं? हर एक का अलग अलग परसेप्शन होता है, राइट, इस टर्म को लेके, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट को लेके, फेमिनिज्म को लेके. व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन दैट?
I believe in women empowerment, that is for sure. As we all have started learning, coming out of the house, working together, since now it's more than 2-3 decades women are going out for work. That is very true. But हमारे फील्ड में येट जो काम फीमेल्स कर सकती है वो फीमेल ही करेगी, जो काम मेन कर सकते हैं वो मैन ही कर सकते हैं. सो आई कैनॉट से कि विमेन एंड मेल आर इक्वल. I can say both are needed in our industry as the tarazu. हमारे
Balance
काम
करने
में
के लिए।
बैलेंस करने के लिए, राइट, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बैलेंस करने के लिए हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स होते हैं, दे आर कारपेंटर्स, इलेक्ट्रिशियंस, पेंटर्स, जनरली you have seen those are males.
Males.
Artists are females if you are doing some sculpture or something, but the roles के जो काम है वो males होते हैं, and designing female designers are there in our office. So I said I keep the balance between males and female. Again, ये मेरे ऑफिस की बात हुई, but again while going to the site when I have my clients, there also male has some different decision power and female has some different decision power. वो घर या वो ऑफिस या उनकी बंगलो, उनका विला, उनका रिसोर्ट एक से नहीं बनता है. So again there I could see different opinions by men and women. So how can I say only women are important or only men are important?
Balance has to be there. That is when we can say it's an equality.
Yes, you are right, absolutely. So in my field, in our field of infra today, which is booming like anything, each one needs each supports. Men can think differently, what women cannot, and women think sometimes differently, which men cannot. So here I would say in the field of infra interiors, both are equally important. Though maybe percentage level kabhi kam zyada hoga, but that's okay, that's the journey.
So, Hital ji, you just mentioned that you have a daughter. So, what did you learn from your daughter's journey?
I am fortunate, first of all, to have my family, everyone together on the same page. The most important part is my husband is the biggest support, my mother is the biggest support, my in-laws are biggest support, and the special and the most important person and my strength is my daughter, who has always taught me and told me to evolve professionally. We being from the old school, we have always worked with emotions. But in today's time, there is so much to learn from this younger generation, from Gen Z also, that let's be professional, evolve together, mutually with the client, and that's how she teaches me every day to be on track. So this is my takeaway from my daughter.
So, Hital ji, since your daughter comes in that Gen Z generation, right? What will you teach her? Like, पहले की सोसाइटी में का जो एक्सपीरियंस था, आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस था, और आज के बच्चों को जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही है, उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत डिफरेंस है उसमें, राइट? सो आप उनको अभी यहाँ से आगे बढ़ने के लिए आप क्या सिखाते हो?
This is a very true question you have asked, and all the parents are facing this. But again, I am saying I am very fortunate being into a working woman since years. She has seen me working always, and she knows what is rest time, what is working hours, when to play, when to study. But again, आज के बच्चे तो बच्चे हैं. Lots of social media, and she is not into much. In fact, she is an sketch artist. Wow. She makes sketches. She spends her time on sketches. She is a very good into her studies also. And in fact, I learn from her that whenever she gets time and whenever I get time, we gel together and we sit together and have all the snacking and munching together.
That's really nice. So when you look back to your journey, what is that one moment that where you feel proud of yourself?
The one moment when I feel proud is like always standing in between men. Whenever I stand, if some known person just passes away, कोई बिल्डिंग वाले आ गए या कोई बाजू के आ गए, they have always seen me that I am only with the men and their females मेरे साथ जब सिलेक्शंस के लिए आते हैं वो कभी कभी होते हैं. So that was the one thing I felt earlier कि how will I go here and there with each, but being the support of my family, my team members, it's nothing now reaching to this level because हमें साइट्स पे जाना होता है, साइट्स हमारे पास नहीं आ सकती है. सो अगेन एज यू आई कनेक्ट दिस विद द जेंजी थिंग्स एसी में बैठ के हम साइट बना सकते हैं, बट आपको साइट्स पे जाना है तभी आप टेक्निकल ग्राउंड्स पे देख सकते हो एंड यू कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क ऑन साइट. So here there are two answers again. One, the first one which you asked, and the second one for the Gen Z, that they have to work equally on the grounds and also on the office work together.
राइट. सो आपने जब अपनी जर्नी शुरू की थी एज अ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट?
To be honest, I had just worked on a loft project. So I would say my project name was the loft.
ओके.
And it was just one table for a boss, uski chair, and just 3 staff for the boss. And I used to work like I thought I'm earning so much. It was hardly 10,000 rupees of project. And the journey started from there. And today the times have changed. From one desk to 10,000 square feet of office also we can do. From a 1 BHK which I started, now I am doing 6 BHKs, villa projects, bungalow projects. So this is the journey and this is how times have changed.
सो आपकी जर्नी में कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि किसी ने आप पे बहुत ही इतना डाउट किया है बट दैट चेंज्ड यू इन अ पॉजिटिव वे?
This is very true. Clients have doubted us, in fact me too much, into the industry, being young in the industry during that times. But this was the phase. I have heard them. I didn't reacted. Once the project was completed day by day, I took the authority and delivered the project. That time it proved that yes, she did it very well, what we wanted. And we have client testimonials as well.
नाइस. सो किस तरह से आप क्लाइंट के साथ डील करते हो? कभी कभी ऐसे होता है ना कि हस्बैंड वाइफ आए हैं, हस्बैंड को कुछ और चाहिए डिज़ाइनिंग वाइज, वाइफ को कुछ और चाहिए, राइट, या फैमिली को कुछ और चाहिए, तो ये सब चीज़ों को आप कैसे टैकल करते हो?
This is a question where it will not work for all the designers, I would say, and not for all the audience who wants to do their interior designing. Is the system proven which we follow? I have a process called as Interscape design process, where we have pre-questionnaire session. It's called as PQC.
राइट.
As how we are having a interview today of together, we are discussing, same way we have a discussion with the entire family. I have a 35 to 40 page of booklet
ओके.
which together we sit with the client. It's called as pre-questionnaire, and there are different questions mentioned: the age of the clients, the family, what they do, working hours for them, kids, their life, their likes, dislikes. Also I have such questions like, if are you a frequent traveler, do you collect those collectibles when you travel and bring back home, such as fridge magnets, showpieces, decor, or how do you store your mattresses if your guests are coming? Do you store your grocery? How do you wear your shirts? Do you need hanging shirts or folded shirts? Do you iron yourself or you get ironed clothes kept? So there are such silly questions which help us to design the house with their lifestyle, with their way of working, to their spaces. So we work with Interscape design process with the PQC level, and that's how we get the insights, and we know clients, and we give we call ourselves as neuro luxury interior designers.
न्यूरो लग्जरी इंटीरियर
Yes.
डिज़ाइनर्स. नाइस. सो बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग मतलब सिर्फ डेकोरेशन करना है. इज़ इट ट्रू? क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
This is not at all true. Interior design and interior decorator is a difference. Interior decor will decor your existing space by buying few plants, by pasting some wallpapers, putting some lamps, putting some showpieces. Again, that showpieces has to match with the decor. आपका प्लान ग्रीन है और आपने शो पीस रेड रख लिया, आपका सोफ़ा येलो मस्टर्ड रस्ट कलर है, वो रेड के साथ नहीं मैच हो रहा है. सो इंटीरियर स्टाइलिस्ट प्लेज द रोल, not the decor. Again there are segments in this. With this, interior design comes from the technical drawings, the space planning. The first function of interior designing is space planning, layout spacing, the movement of the house, kitchen planning. Kitchen has to have that kitchen triangle, it's called as. There are different 7 elements into interiors that has to be taken care while designing a house. I said the house has to be designed ergonomically. Suppose there is a female whose height is say 4 feet 11 inches and you give her a platform of 32 inches, she won't be able to make chapati on her platform. So you should know what height a female is. You should also, sometimes ऐसा होता है कि मेल लंबे है, उसकी वाइफ छोटी है, तो आप मिरर कौन से हाइट पे लगाओगे वॉशरूम में?
Right.
So you should understand the shape of the mirror, where a wife can also see her face in the washroom and husband can also see the face in the washroom. With this, interior design is absolutely a technical part. Layered lighting होता है उसमें wall thickness, the durability. See, surface is the decor, but the technical part and the strength comes into interior designing. So there are various steps to deliver a good design space.
सो अभी ना हितल जी, कारपेंटर्स भी जो होते हैं जिनका काफ़ी साल से एक्सपीरियंस रहता है इसमें, वो आजकल खुद को इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बोलते हैं, राइट? सो इज़ देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक एक्सपीरियंस और स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम एन इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, या कारपेंटर भी इजीली इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर खुद को बता सकते हैं?
In today's time, this is working, definitely yes, but only for small houses, say 1 BHK. But nowadays, each one wants a wow factor in a home. A difference between a carpenter and interior designer, I would say, when you eat a sandwich on a roadside thela and when you eat a sandwich, grill sandwich on a branded joint, that differs. The quality matters, the system matters. The same thing goes with a normal chef and a very 5-star hotel chef. The same thing goes here around. A carpenter will know what he will work upon. He will not know the combinations. He will not know the various heights which is possible to make it. Somehow when he had worked, he knew that 2 colors are combining. वो सबके घर पे वो 2 कलर ही लगाएगा, थोड़ा उसके आगे पीछे शेड्स में लगाएगा. But what mood board we can create, the inspiration, we have an inspiration of nature, we have inspiration of coral seas, the Goa style, the Portugal style, the technical part of it, where what design will suit. Designers are different than carpenters. Definitely I would say here that we carpenters are skilled. Definitely I would say here that carpenters are skilled, but they cannot make designs what designers make as per the requirement.
Right.
There are a lot of internet images which you can use, but the proportion of that design, is that suiting your house, is a question for the homeowner and also for the carpenter. I'll give you just a small example over here. A shelf shown in a picture is over the TV, some example. Right? What height that shelf has to be. If carpenter has some standard, he will definitely say that. But just below the shelf, there is the pelmet on the left side. There is a bedroom door on the right side. There is a main door on the right side. So the line level which works together, he will not understand what we work on it. When we give them drawings, we tell them to work on sites. They don't know how the place is going to become. They work on their storages, they work on their ply, they work on their surfaces. जब सब धीरे धीरे बनता है तो वो बनता है. So carpenters are skilled into their domain expertise of doing the work, the execution part. Designing definitely has to be done by the designer to get that wow factor for your guest and to avoid the mistakes and the loss of yours. The money you save today is a big expense tomorrow.
सो अभी एस्थेटिक हाउसेस का काफ़ी ट्रेंड चल रहा है, राइट? आपका उसमें क्या टेक है? क्या बजट फ्रेंडली हाउसेस हो सकते हैं? एस्थेटिक का एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है?
Aesthetics for you may be different. Aesthetics for me will be very different. Aesthetic for someone else will be very different. So aesthetic word is being used. It's always said that we are into functional interiors. Aesthetics over functionality. What does it mean? It has to function well. If at your house you have a grandmother, you have a parent whose fingers are not have so much of strength, and you don't put handles on that shutter and you give that groove, and opening of that shutter with the groove is difficult for the parents because उसको ताकत ज़्यादा लगती है. But when you have handles, that doors are being opened very smoothly.
Right.
So here you will go for aesthetic or you will go for functionality. A person will always choose functionality because it saves their time. One more example I can give you, in today's busy time, in the kitchen, when we have soft closed drawers, हम एक push करेंगे drawer खुद से अंदर जाता है. Do you have that much time that 7 seconds the drawer should go inside in the busy morning tiffin hours? No one will have. And when your maid is
Easy access to
when the
it.
cook is there at your kitchen and she is cooking, she will just push it. She will not wait because उसको तो 10 घर के काम करने हैं. So understand what the family life is, understand who is using the place, and then you work on the aesthetic with functionality.
Right. So what are the common mistakes people do while designing their homes?
The first common mistake which I see, each family has to first think what all things they carry every day outside the house and bring back from their office. Is like, say example, laptop bag. Some may have helmets, some may have jackets, some may have house keys and car keys together. Tiffin bags, some may carry a different water bottle bag. There are so many, and while coming, they have to shop some groceries and they come back. Example. So while they come and they travel, there has to be some place to keep that things. So always plan your foyer, your entrance in such a way where you get some place to keep your instant things. And say for example, if you don't have a foyer, you don't have a place, create a storage near that where you can just come and first keep, relax, have some water, and you can place the things as needed. Then your house will look aesthetic. But the functional thing is you have to get unloaded with the things which you are carrying back.
So basically, people don't think about these small things
Yes.
while designing the home, right? So ये चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि
Correct.
आगे जाके समझ में आती है कि अरे यार इसके बारे में तो सोचा ही नहीं.
Yes, so
That's
this
where
is the
the
role
interior
where
designer
interior designers
come.
come with the PQC format, the questionnaire format.
So what are the common mistakes people do while designing their homes?
Here I would say space planning, layout planning is important. लोग सोचते हैं पोजीशन मिलने के बाद इंटीरियर स्टार्ट करेंगे. इनफैक्ट बिफोर गेटिंग द पोजीशन, बिफोर व्हेन यू बाय अ फ्लैट, ऑल्सो कंसिडर द इंटीरियर्स एंड एस्पेक्ट हाउ इट कैन बी the space planning when you use the house is the factor. Space planning is more important. Clarity is more important of the space. Again, when you have a house at, say suppose you have a sea facing house, what type of material you will need to use it. When you have a house that is extremely on the west where you get heat from the windows, what type of colors to use on your curtains and wardrobes is more important. So generally I get more complaints कि भाई हमारा घर 45th floor पे है. People ask me such questions and अभी सही peel off हो रहा है, ये ऐसे हो रहा है, doors are not closing. So the Mumbai weather, in fact the weather has to be considered. If you have a sea facing home, consider the materials that are low on maintenance, where the contraction, expansions and doesn't happen much of that product. When you have a house that is say west facing, you have to think upon like there is too much of heat entering if the windows are on the west. So what type of curtains to use? Because see, we are into the world of sustainability. There is so much of global warming. We also want house to be cool. Every time when you put on the AC, every time when you use lights, it is hampering your health also. So consider the natural factors and take the benefits of natural light and consider the designing part of the place. So this is the key element which an interior designer will only understand and work on it.
So what are the key elements that makes a house beautiful?
Nowadays, luxury is considered as a key element, but luxury involves custom-made, personalized and no obligation spaces. What does this mean? We'll just take a simple sofa of a living room as an example. आप जब सोफ़ा देखने जाते हो, you will sometimes see a very grand sofa, you will see sometimes a very cozy sofa, some king type sofa. That has to first go with the aesthetic as you asked me earlier. But I said aesthetic over functionality, like function is very important, so consider the function. वो सोफ़ा पे कौन बैठने वाला है? सोफ़ा का काम बैठना ही है ऑब्वियसली, बट उस सोफ़े पे बच्चे बैठेंगे, आप उस पे खाना खाने वाले हो कि नहीं, कि डिनर डाइनिंग टेबल पे ही खाना खाने वाले हो? घर में जो पीछे रहते हैं सपोज़, तो वो कितने देर तक आपका टीवी के साथ सोफ़ा के सामने बैठे रहते हैं? देन आपके पेरेंट्स बैठते हैं, what type of, the way you sit, you put your legs on the sofa, the width of the sofa you consider, your living room width you have to consider. So these are the elements. This is just one element. There are so many different elements into each pieces of furniture, each pieces of design, lighting to consider. अगर मैं आपको सेम लाइट दूँ जो ऑफिस में है, तो आप घर में वो लाइट में नहीं रह सकते हो. अगर मैं आपको घर की लाइट्स दूँ ऑफिस में, तो आप ऑफिस में काम नहीं कर सकते हो. यही अगर ज्वेलरी शोरूम होगा, तो आप घर की COB लाइट्स आप ज्वेलरी शोरूम में नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. द सेम हैपन्स विद द हॉस्पिटल्स. जो हॉस्पिटल्स की बड़ी लाइट्स है वो आप घर में यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सो यू शुड नो द फंक्शन, एंड दैट विद दैट फंक्शन आप उसको एस्थेटिकली कैसे डिस्प्ले करते हो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है आज की तारीख में. सो की फैक्टर्स आर, कंसिडर योर कस्टमाइजेशन, व्हाट्स योर पर्सनलाइज्ड चॉइस, एंड व्हाट इज दैट थिंग टू बी यूज्ड फॉर इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट while designing a space.
राइट. मुझे बताओ, बजट ना कभी कभी लोगों का होता है कि अरे मेरे पास 5-10 लाख का ही बजट है, बट मुझे एस्थेटिक चाहिए, लग्जरी चाहिए. तो ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आपको मिलते हैं, और क्या ये बजट वैलिड है?
See, as you said 5-10 lakh का, so here I would like to say there are, what is the size of the house? 5-10 lakh amount will always have that answer कि आपका घर की साइज क्या है. इट्स नॉट अ सेम फॉर एवरीवन. 5 लाख किसी के लिए ज़्यादा है, किसी के लिए कम है. तो जिसके लिए 5 लाख ज़्यादा है, उसका हाउस छोटा होगा, तो वो एक सोफ़ा छोटू सा लेगा, उसकी क्वालिटी डिफरेंट होगी, वो 2 साल में वापस सोफ़ा चेंज करेगा. सो दैट्स अ different segment to work, which we don't work on this.
Okay.
We work on premium homes, and where the square feet size of the house goes beyond 2000 square feet. And it is always said as luxury. Again, I said luxury for someone is different and for some other is different.
Right.
So luxury doesn't mean costly products. Luxury means how can he functionally, how can a family, how can a office can functionally use that space, comes under luxury.
So usually क्या बजट होना चाहिए?
See, there is, again I would say, there is no such standard statement or standard derivation कि क्या budget figures आना चाहिए. Here we have, there is a house, say you have a sofa, you have the other chair, you have a bench, you have a jula. So every 4 pieces adds up to the cost. And the same manner, when there is a 4th dining table, wooden dining table will have a different cost. Italian marble dining table will have a different cost. So we have a pre-questionnaire, as I mentioned. We derive the design style, what client wants, and as per that design, we summarize and we make an estimate, and client also has that knowledge. But generally nowadays, it is said it's somewhere around 25%, 25 to 30% of your house value you have to put in your interiors. But that again differs. आपको ज़्यादा शक्कर खानी है तो मीठा लगेगा आपको. आई डोंट लाइक मोर शुगर, सो मेरे कॉस्टिंग कम है तो आई विल लेसन द एलिमेंट्स टू बी यूज्ड. सो दिस हाउ budget derivation is being done as per the requirement of the need and the use of the space.
Right. So what are the smart interior hacks that people can use without interior designer?
Without an interior designer, without fearing that they don't want to hire an interior designer, the smart hack which they can have is just the plain walls, a good painting by an artist. The person who wants to design themselves have to discover the DIY styles. They have to again work on that thing and hold on something, who can work on that and execute that. So few tips can be: have a clean house, declutter your space, amplify your space with good lighting, have a good vibrant colors, have a monochrome color where you don't have to show what is more important. Everything has to be neutral. These few tips can help a house look in a very good way during festival times. Decorate your table, style up your table with a few flowers, and this is how a common man can work on their looks of the house and change as per the festival.
Right. So, is there any project that taught you something that you will never forget?
This is a very true question, and I would say we had used a digital lock. A client really wanted a digital lock for 11-feet door height, and client wasn't available in India. That time I thought, and they had a need of that house to be used by the maid because they had to again come back to India. And suddenly that door, say the security lock had that battery, उसका बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया था. एक्सेस था मेड के पास, बट मेड वो यूज़ नहीं कर पा रही है. क्लाइंट वॉज ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम स्टेट्स एंड वॉज ट्रैवलिंग बैक टू इंडिया. सो हमने सोचा अभी आई डोंट हैव कीज़, मेड डजेंट हैव कीज़, बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई है, एंड दैट वॉज अ संडे. हाउ कैन वी गेट अ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अ lock vendor? But in today's time, in digital world where digital things are used in a very smart way, there was a way out there. The lock had that Allen key system, and as I knew the technical of that lock, I could help. I could send a person and did that thing. And this way, the important part is we have to be technical sound to know the things better. I cannot depend on other world. I have to know the things, so only we can give the best to the client. And the client came, and everything, the work was done by the maid. And this was a journey where I was just listening about the lock. I thought क्या सुनूं मैं lock के बारे में, मुझे पता तो है, but that had a key feature. Allen की lock से lock खुल सकता है. So I heard that salesperson teaching me. So product knowledge is more important for the interior designers also.
AI is booming nowadays, right? You think AI will dominate your industry?
I would say AI is helping us a lot. I would never say AI is destroying my industry. AI is helping me lessen my work. It is bringing the potential things out from my teammates and my staff. I will again give one example. Since we have AI, a person who wants to type, now my teammates just talk and the typing is done on AI.
Right.
The time has been saved. They are working more hours, and the Gen Zs are really happy to work that way.
Work efficiency becomes better.
Very much better. Again, there are few presentations which I want to show to the clients. AI is helping us making few changes in the interiors visuals, where our 3D render software takes some time. With that is confirmed design and patterns. But again, when we want to see some color changes, AI is helping us to compare between both the images. Correct. AI is helping us to create a design that a client wants in HD, which they can themselves do. We give them, and we also teach our clients how to use AI, where sometimes our intervention, we just take a back foot, let them understand how AI works. With this, the more the client gets knowledge, we also get their help in the project because it's their house. Again, AI will help you to work and show good pictures, but a team has to work. AI will not understand your lifestyle. AI will not understand your emotions. So here, AI is not destroying our industry. AI is the catalyst.
Helping us.
AI is the catalyst, and we are the other chemicals. And without interior designers, only AI cannot work.
Right. So बहुत सारे कंपनीज का है ना कि AI आ गया है तो मैन पावर की ज़रूरत नहीं. आपके इंडस्ट्री में आपको लगता है कि ऐसा है?
A very good content here, I would say. In fact, I had the thought, how will AI do the painting on the walls? Tell me. How will
Unless
AI
you hire robot?
Still that surface, the undulations, robo will not do.
Finishing part.
Robo will not do. How will AI cut the ply? How will AI hang the curtains? How will AI say do the, see you get robo kitchen खाना बन जाता है,
वेटर भी
okay,
होते हैं
डिश
robot.
वॉशर्स है, बट डिश को डालने के लिए हाउ विल AI सपोर्ट? सो AI इज नॉट अ destroyer. AI is a support. It's just artificial intelligence where we don't have to put much brains. We are taking the support, the inspiration, but again that human touch and emotions will never be taken over by AI.
राइट, बिकॉज सही प्रॉम्प्ट देना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है एआई को. अदरवाइज आपने एक जस्ट लाइन डाल दी उसमें और बोलोगे मुझे इसके पूरे डिटेल्स थे, वैसे नहीं चलता.
Prompt comes in a way where it is needed for technical doubts, how AI has to answer himself, think and answer. But in our case, AI will just give upon and help us to create good images, create good concepts, create say Excel files, create text, give ideas. But AI will not help us cutting the ply. AI will not help us do the say laying of wooden flooring. Though robots are there, but robots are long way beyond yet to come for our industry, because this is how industry works. The execution works this way.
राइट.
AI comes into the factor where there are modular furnitures. AI helps them, but the sizes are fixed. So I said, how will AI work? As bed size is always fixed, 6 by 6.5, we can have a modular bed. We can have side table fixed, sofa size is fixed, kitchen shutters fixed, trolleys fixed. But when it comes to curves, when it comes to laying of marble, how will AI know what you have designed and the marble has to be laid by the AI? There is a new technology which has come, is called as 3D printing.
राइट.
3D homes are being made. You might have heard about
Yeah.
it also. So here AI is helping, but that are only for homes on the plots, but not the buildings. So if you are staying on a 35-story building, that still has to be done with the cranes, the labors, the shuttering, and every part of it. Also, there is one technology which has come, wall painting by machine. It says wall printing. I would say the technology has come. It is called as wall printing. It prints any image rather than not using the wallpaper, but only the image if you have. But what if the plain walls are there? उसके पीछे उसकी lambi, putty, sanding, everything has to be done by a person.
करेक्ट.
So in fact, AI is good in our industry. Very good, I would say. It's a support. It saves our time. We can deliver clients their choices with some few changes. It is really helping us.
नाइस. सो कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस के बारे में आप थोड़ा बता सकते हो कि व्हाट इज़ मोर प्रेफरेबल, डार्क कलर्स, डार्क शेड्स होने चाहिए या लाइट शेड्स होने चाहिए?
एक आम आदमी को आप अगर पूछोगे कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस के बारे में, उसको क्या ही पता चलेगा.
ट्रू.
वाइट कलर है, पता है उनको. लाइट बेज कलर है, स्काई ब्लू कलर है आपके. सिंस माई जर्नी ऑफ इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, इफ आई गिव अ फैन डेक to a client, no client will be able to select a color painting for their homes, because color selections only works with the aesthetic of your entire house. You have to bring out a shade which looks monotonous every time. One factor. Second factor, what is your house like? I would say on what floor the house is. If you are on first floor, the impact of the color is very different. If you are on the 7th floor, the impact of the color is very different. If you are on the 20th floor, if you are on the 50th floor of a building, the color impact will differ. The same color will be visible in different shades on different floors, in different lightings.
Right.
So selection of colors is not only that we select colors, we have to select colors as per the timings also. Sometimes we are on site, we select colors at say 12 noon, जब site पे meeting होती है. Again we see that color during the next meeting at say 4:30. That color changes because of the weather, sunset and sunrise. So this way color selection happens. And the most important part it plays, I would say, is the color psychology. As I said, we are into neuro luxury interior designing. what colors pumps the brain, what colors absorbs by the brain, we look into that and we select the colors that goes as per the nature.
ओके सो 3D मॉडल का थोड़ा मुझे समझना है. व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड इज 3D मॉडल इज बेसिकली गिविंग यू एन आइडिया कि प्लेसमेंट कहाँ पे होना चाहिए, राइट? आपको एक्चुअल में जब आप करते हो वहाँ पे साइजेस एंड वो सब में काफ़ी फिर डिफरेंस आता है, तो कितना हेल्पफुल होता है वो?
दिस वॉज अ रिवर्स थिंग विच यू आस्क्ड एक्चुअली. 3D पहले नहीं बनता है. पहले स्टार्ट होता है साइट के ड्राइंग
मॉडल से.
साइट के ड्राइंग से बिल्डर का प्लान होता है. नाउअडेज वी गेट प्लान्स बाय द आर्किटेक्ट. रॉ फ्लैट है, we develop them as per the plan, as per the size. Then that concept is being developed and then 3D comes at the later stage.
Okay.
But definitely each human, each individual when designing the space उनको पहले 3D देखना होता है. So 3D has to be proportionate. As per drawing, 3D is being made. 3D is the medium to understand the site which is to be done later on. उसके पहले आप समझ लेते हो कि मेरा घर, मेरा ऑफिस, मेरा रिसोर्ट कैसे दिखने वाला है. So this is being done by the team members and on the good softwares, and this is really a boon to the industry.
Right. What about वास्तु? लोगों को वास्तु के हिसाब से ही घर लेना होता है. इंटीरियर में भी ये इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट होता है?
हाँ, very say a question where everyone doesn't believe. There are few people who believe Vastu since day one, but in Mumbai homes where a person cannot do much changes, a WC का डक्ट जहाँ होगा वहीं उसको आउटफ्लो देना है. किचन सिंक जहाँ पॉसिबल है वहाँ से उसका आउटलेट जा सकता है. So there are few buildings where there are restrictions where we cannot be able to change the internal layouting of the house. But here a Vastu consultant specialist we hire on board as an expert advice, and they give us different remedies. And these remedies are sometimes done before the civil work. So this way we incorporate Vastu into interiors as per the client belief.
वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू हेतल जी. बच्चे जो अभी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग में करियर करना चाहते हैं उन्हें आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे?
In today's time, when anyone wants and decides to do interior designing, first thing, आज आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग कर रहे हो, जस्ट आपको सब चीज़ अच्छी दिख रही है, कलरफुल दिख रही है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिख रही है, लग्जरियस दिख रही है, प्रीमियम दिख रही है, ये सब दिखने से है. बट बिहाइंड इट देयर इज़ सो मच ऑफ पेन to understand the product, to learn about the product, what product to use where, which product will suit which family, what will look better for a parent may not look good for a young family, for a child room. So new people has to understand it's not only the AC office, it's not only the traveling from one side to other in a premium cars, going with the clients, having dinner together with the clients. It's more on that, be consistent, understand the things. आज आपको नहीं पता है, कल पता चल जाएगा. जो आज की चीज़ कल पता चली है, कुछ और कल नहीं मालूम होगा, वो उसके दूसरे दिन पता चल जाएगा. So it's a journey. The thing which I know today, I was not knowing 10 years back. And the things which today's young teammates know, team people know today, मुझे उस टाइम पे वो नहीं पता था जो आजकल के हमारे टीम कर सकती है.
करेक्ट.
सो इट इज़ अ जर्नी, इट इज़ डिफरेंट फेज ऑफ लाइफ. गो थ्रू इट, एंड आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग न्यू एज एन इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, compulsory we prefer to be in the same job, or you switch over the job. You have to do job for 5 years, then only you will understand the insights of the industry. So I would say 5 years, 7 years is just a small journey, but then sky is the limit.
So if anyone wants to reach you, where they can find you?
Our firm's name is AARCS, AARCS, with the tagline Degree of Difference. Our office is based at Navi Mumbai. Our website is www.arcs.co.in, and they can mail us their inquiries and they can reach out to us. Follow our page for more such interior tips @arcs by हेतल जुजारे।
थैंक यू सो मच हेतल जी, बहुत अच्छा सेशन था आज का। आई एम श्योर बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा रहेगा। मैंने खुद बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखी है जो मुझे कभी पता नहीं थी। अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम मेरे घर का इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग करने के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली आपको बुलाने वाली हूँ।
Sure, anytime.
सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। एंड आपको भी ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू लॉजिकली लाउड। एंड सारे डिटेल्स हेतल जी के आपको हम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे देंगे। बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। थैंक यू सो मच।